creamy New England clam chowder with potatoes and bacon, a hearty bowl of comfort that you can make at home. Ah, the timeless allure of New England clam chowder! Thick, creamy, and brimming with flavor, this classic soup is the ultimate comfort food. Today, let's make a heartwarming pot that will fill your kitchen with the irresistible aroma of clams, crispy bacon, and simmering potatoes. Ready? Every great soup starts with quality ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 4 slices of crispy bacon, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 medium onion, finely diced, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 cup of diced celery, 2 cups of peeled cubed potatoes, 2 cups of clam juice, 2 cans of chopped clams, 1 cup of heavy cream, salt, pepper, and thyme for seasoning. You likely have most of these waiting in your pantry or fridge, making this an easy recipe to whip up anytime comfort calls. Fire up your stove and place a large pot on medium heat. Toss in those bacon slices and cook until they're golden and crispy. Once done, transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels, but don't discard all that flavorful bacon grease. Use about a tablespoon of the rendered fat to add depth to your chowder. Trust us, this step elevates everything. Melt a tablespoon of butter in the same pot with the bacon drippings. Add diced onion, minced garlic, and celery, cooking them until soft and fragrant, about 5 minutes. This fragrant trio is the soul of your soup's base and will build layers of irresistible flavor. Stir in the potatoes and season with salt, a pinch of pepper, and a sprinkle of thyme. Let everything cook together, letting the lovely aroma fill your kitchen. Potatoes soak up those spices beautifully in these early steps. Time to bring in the clams. Pour in the clam juice and reserved liquid from your canned clams. Stir everything well, ensuring all ingredients are swimming in rich, salty broth goodness. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. Pro tip: keep an eye on the texture of your potatoes. They should be soft but not falling apart. This guarantees an ideal creamy chowder consistency. Now comes the beautiful touch, that heavenly cup of heavy cream. Stir gently as the soup transforms into a luscious, velvety masterpiece. Add the chopped clams during the last 5 minutes of cooking. They don't need long to cook, just enough time to absorb those robust flavors while staying tender. Crumble in the bacon pieces for smoky goodness. Ready to plate up? Grab your favorite bowls, ladle this creamy chowder generously, and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh thyme or parsley if you'd like. Serve hot with warm, crusty bread on the side, or crunchy oyster crackers. Classic and perfect for soaking up all that creamy goodness. With that first bite, you'll taste the smoky bacon, tender clams, and pillowy potatoes dancing in a sea of silky broth. This is what comfort tastes like. Cooking is more than just following steps. It's about bringing love and warmth to your table. Let this chowder be a memory-making meal for family dinners, cozy nights in, or any chilly day that begs for an extra dose of comfort. Now it's your time to shine. Grab these ingredients, follow these easy steps, and bring your love for soup to life by making this creamy New England clam chowder at home. Indulge in this hearty, mouth-watering soup, where each spoonful brings together flavors of bacon, tender clams, and creamy potatoes for ultimate comfort and satisfaction. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss our delicious cooking adventures. Until next time, let's keep that foodie passion sizzling!